Welcome to the singles workout video at 90 BPM. In this video, we are going to check out our singles speed. We're going to build up the strength, build up our dexterity, and create better singles. Do this video every day for a whole week, and I guarantee you will see progress, you will see improvement in your drumming skills. Let's dive right into it. Here we go. Straights on the right. Straights on the left, skips on the right, skips on the left, single 16s, unison skips, metric mods on the right, metric mods on the left, metric mods alternating, blast. We're doing each exercise for 1 minute and we're going to work in pairs. We've got the metronome at 90, let's get it going. 1, 2, ready, go. So we're going to keep our right hand nice and high. All of my fingers are around the stick. I see a lot of people playing like this. Keep it around the stick. All fingers are involved. Some independence work. If you don't want to just let your left hand hang here, we can help build the independence by moving it forward, moving it back, maybe up, maybe down, to your side. Just put it all over the place, but keep your right hand consistent. So start with slow motions. Got about 10 seconds till we switch. 1, 2, ready, switch. Left hand. Let's try that same thing with our right hand. I want you to move it forward, move back, then go up, go down, out to the side, back in, down to the ground, back up. That's great for building your left to right hand independence or interdependence. Is really what you're figuring out. The more you do the different combinations of movements, the more familiar your limbs will understand how to work with each other. About 10 more seconds. You want to go unisons at the end? Go for it. 1, 2, ready, and done. Skips on the right, then the left. We're going to do 2 strikes in triplet form. I'll turn on the triplet here. Feel that triplet. 1, 2, right hand go. So we've got this triplet going. Let's try adding in that independence again. Now, why would we want to do this? Well, it's great practice for me because talking and playing is not my strong suit. I'm getting better at it. If you're playing drum set, the uses are really clear. You're doing lots of different things with each of the limbs. If you're not playing drum set, you got about 10 more seconds. If you're not playing drum set, this just helps build your mental faculties. Let's say we're working on, I don't know, rudiments or flams or something. 2, ready, and switch. Whew, that was rough. Anyway, so let's say you're working on flams where one hand is doing something a little bit different from the other hand. The motions are actually very similar. Flams are actually pretty much this, but they're offset. Being able to do those 2 different things with your hands, it's important to be able to control one hand and the other hand. Same thing with paradiddles, same thing with Radamicue, same thing with any sort of hybrid rudiment. Roughs, Swiss triplets. There's tons of reasons why you should be able to do different things. Sorry about that. Different things with your hands and your mouth. Gosh. 2, ready, and done. That was rough. Single 16s into unison skips. We're going singles into the doubles in unison. Let's get it going. 1, 2, here we end it, go. Nice and even. So this is a great chance for you to check on your posture. I'm standing, so my feet are, shoulder width apart. Knees are a little bent, just a little bit, don't lock them. Lift the back of your spine and up to the back of your head, up tall. If you're sitting at a drum set, or you're sitting on a stool doing some timpani work, same concept. Keep that upper body posture nice and tall. I have to think about that stuff all the time. About 15 seconds till we switch. Check your hands. Are they rotating to the side? Are you doing German grip? Or are you doing, American or French is really far down? Woo. 1, 2, unison skips. Keep those hands nice and strong. We're building our strength. I'm not so worried about the heights right now because we're building our endurance. We're building the muscles used to control everything that's going on. How much more effort can you put into these strokes without getting tense? About 20 seconds. Whew. Starting to get warm. Starting to sweat a little bit. All right, about 5 seconds. 1, 2, ready, and done. Whew. Metric mods on the right and left. We're gonna do our eighth notes for 2 measures, and we're gonna go to our triplets for 2 measures, and then end with our 16ths. We're gonna do them in groups of 3. 1 E and, 2 E and, 3 E and, 4 E and. If you want to, you can go all the way through 1 E and, 2 E and, but that's really gonna push that arm. If you can do it, great, go for it. I'm gonna modify it. 1 E, 2 E and, 3 E and. That's totally fine. 1, 2, ready, go. So, let's get our independence working again. Keep the motions smooth. It is a ton to think about, oh my gosh. But it's good. It's good for you. Let's try going out. Back in. All right, we're gonna finish our 16ths, and then we'll go into the triplets. Oh my gosh, there we go. Triplets, and we'll go to the left hand. 2, ready, hand. So instead of stretching or reaching around, you can stretch out your hand a little bit if it's wearing out. If I could just play along with you guys, that would be great. But remember, we're not working on precise timing right now. We're just working on our strength, our endurance, our our dexterity, working that brain, is totally okay if you're not perfect right now. About 20 more seconds. Triplets and done. Triplets and done. 1, 2, ready, and done. Nice. Metric mods alternating blast. We're going to start with our 16ths. We're going to go into 6-tuplets. We're going to go back and forth between them, and then we're going to end with 6-tuplets all the way to the end. 1, 2, ready, go. 2 measures each. How are your feet doing? Do you need to mark time a little bit? Get yourself moving. Do whatever you need to do. Keep your sticks up high. Make sure everything is going smooth. I do not want to hear accents, especially on the 6-tuplets. None of this. No. Keep it all up. It's going to get harder and harder. Just push through. Feel that burn in your forearms. If you need to alternate your finger grip a little bit, maybe grip a little tighter with the back fingers. Blast all the way through. 1 minute. Push through. Keep all of those fingers on the sticks. It's okay if you're lagging behind, you just keep pushing through. If you want to push even faster, try to get those, what is it, the 30 seconds? Woo, that's tough, guys. Keep those 6-tuplets up. Halfway done. I'm starting to sweat. It's just dripping all down my forehead, down my neck. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Nice and tall. Fix that posture. Almost done. Woo! Almost there. One more measure. 1, 2, ready, and done. Whoo! I feel it, guys. I get it. I get it. All right. You're done playing for at least a little bit. Treat your muscles to a spa treatment. Stretch. One of the ways you can do it, take your pad. You can take one hand, put your wrist down like this, and then gently push your wrist. Gentle and easy stretching. The reason we've got to stretch is we've got to give the muscles time to recover. If we don't stretch, your muscles are going to get tense and they're going, it's almost like a cramp. You've built up that lactic acid and there's nowhere for it to go. So you need to stretch things out and let your muscles recover. I'm learning more about the science behind stretching. I'm doing some research so that I can have a comprehensive video about how to treat your muscles after you've done a big long workout or after you've done like this big endurance exercise. There's lots of different muscles that we're using when we are drumming or playing any sort of percussion stuff. Make sure that you're treating them right. Treat them as well as you treat yourself. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If this helped you out, please leave a like, comment below, let us know what you're thinking about this whole series. If you enjoy what we're doing, if you think it's kind of ridiculous and I need to move on to something else, let us know. I don't know unless you guys are telling us down below. Subscribe to get all of our future content, and if you want to help us out, support us on Patreon at this link here. That's all I've got. Thank you so much and have a great day. If you like what we're doing here at Virtual Percussion Camp, like, subscribe, and hit the bell.
Tap out.
We're gonna do, welcome to this video. Fast, slow, medium, loud, and quiet. Don't like that. I need a timer. Let's get a stop clock.